Okay, good afternoon, students. Yeah, I
Good
have
afternoon,
already,
ma'am. Afternoon, ma'am.
I have already shared the topic with you. है ना? So first Gomia has because in any of the class Gomia has not participated. So first Gomia has Gomia, I am audible to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Gomia. Please tell me about the topic advantages of online teaching. What are the advantages of online teaching? Please go, Gomia, say. Gomia, please speak. He has enabled his, what I should say. Yeah, I should enable this waiting room now. Because if there will be no mic, then it is not possible for anyone. That's why. So first, Deepak Banwal. Deepak.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Should I start?
Yeah, first.
So, good afternoon, ma'am, and good afternoon to all of you. This is Deepak Barnawal from Chabasa Engineering College, Electrical Engineering branch. I am going to tell about advantages of online teaching. I am starting my words with a unique quote said by Amazon's company CEO Jeff Bezos. It is hard to find things that will not sell online. What does it mean? So simply it means that it is easy to get if comes through online sources. And it has, so what I want to say that the 3A for availability, accessibility, and affordability of sources. If these three conditions satisfy, then we can say it is easy to learn or getting something, and online makes things easy through 3 A's. I have read an article of ED Tech, and it shows that after 2016, means end of 2016 or starting of 2017, online education system face a peak. It is growing gradually. And you know what was the reason behind it? The Geo. The Geo company was established under 5 September 2016, and after it, online system makes more easier. Geo help a lot to everything, including education system comes online. And it is important to know how teacher teaches comes online and share their skills. But they did this as but they did this is appreciable job for them and achievement for them. So now the topic advantages are efficiency. Online learning offer teachers and as well as student uh, getting things easier way, like
Okay,
PDFs,
stop.
podcast.
Okay, stop, Deepak. Tanay Bhaskar. Tanay Bhaskar.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, please speak.
Ma'am, there is so many advantages of online classes. Some of these are even we can watch recording videos to clear doubts anytime. It saves time. Sometimes it saves money. we can see our attendance, whether it is satisfied or need to improvement. And we can download study materials from authorized site like we use LMS portal. That's all, ma'am.
That's all, 2 minutes. Without preparation, anything you want to say, you speak. है ना?
Ma'am.
Arjun Singh.
Yes, ma'am. Good afternoon, ma'am.
Yeah, please go ahead.
Good afternoon, ma'am. Good afternoon, everyone. I am Arjun Singh from Civil Engineering, and I am here to discuss on the topic advantage of online teaching. First of all, what the advantage of online teaching? It is advantage of education, online education is that it allows the student to attend class from any location of their own choice. And the one advantage is also that the online lecture can also be recorded or achieved and share for future reference also.
Okay, stop.
Many times,
Stop. Abhishek Ram. Abhishek Ram. Akash Kashyap. Akash Kashyap. Amrita Kumari. Arpana Kumari.
Yes, ma'am. Good afternoon, ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am, today's topic is advantages of online teaching. We all see that there are online teaching provides a lot of opportunities to access and share information more easily as well as readily. And even with the help of online teaching, one can get information from a distant place or from flexible. It also provides flexibility of location and also time. Online classes can be held anytime, which would be more convenient or productive for both students and teachers, and it can be carried out from any of the geographic location.
Okay, stop. Ashutosh
thank you,
Kumar
ma'am.
Soni. Ashutosh Kumar Soni. Benjamin Lomga. Vinod from Civil. Chandra Vikas from Civil. Gomia. Gomia. Mohammad Sahbaz Alam. Navneet Singh. Navneet Singh. Nikhil from Civil. Nilesh Kumar from Civil. Nitish from Civil. Roshan from Civil. Roshan from Civil. Roshan from Civil again. Sakib. Santosh Kumar. Shashi Bhushan Kumar. Siddheshwar. Sonu Kumar Gupta. Subhajit.
Yes.
Yeah, Subhajit.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
The advantages of online education are a single teacher can teach a large number of students. Classes or lectures can be recorded and kept for the future reference of the students. Students from remote areas can learn from a teacher of national fame.
Very good.
And students can study from the comfort of their home.
Very good. Okay. After Subhajit, Suraj Kumar Ravidas. Suraj Kumar Ravidas. Aniket Singh. Lateral Aniket Singh. Abhijit Kumar. Akash Gop.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, Akash.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
My name is Akash Gop. I'm from Jamshedpur. Today's topic is online classes. Classes we're doing from anywhere and anytime.
Hmm.
You don't have to get ready or dress well for classes. It is easier to teach teacher to study because no one disturbing the classes, and the hostel have authorized to move any student, mute or cut attendance if the student is not in the class. Nowadays, virtual industry training is also going through online mode. We can learn from there also.
Gomya, if you have any problem, you just switch on your mic. Otherwise, being in the class and muted yourself will not mark your attendance. Openly in the class, I am saying that Gomya has come. Please, if you are in the class, to mark your attendance and not enabling your mic. It's not good for you to just be in the class. Either you don't attend the class, because being silent and not enabling all those things is not good. I will not mark your attendance if you will not enable your mic. Okay, go ahead. Next. You completed?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Dharmendra Kumar Yadav. Dharmendra Kumar Yadav. Anand Prakash. Anuj Orao.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Good
Anuj.
afternoon, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. Good afternoon, ma'am. Myself, Anuj Ram. First, I am saying about how to benefit in online teaching in education system.
Wait. Who were present in the class? Mark your attendance first.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Who are present in the class? Mark your attendance. Yes, Anuj, go ahead. I have marked your attendance.
Just like in online education system, student center is a good benefit and better opportunity and cost-effective chance for interaction, flexibility, accessibility, global knowledge, students control study time. Student center, every student has his or her way of learning that works for them. Better opportunities. Students are given the opportunity to choose from various schools and courses. Cost effective, it offers a lot of savings because there are no additional costs for transportation and accommodation. Chance for interaction. Online courses may be less intimidating than the traditional classroom setting and could help to increase student interaction.
Okay, stop. Stop. Next. Navneet Kumar.
Yes, ma'am. Good afternoon, ma'am.
Yeah.
Today's topic is advantages of online learning. Online education is the form of education that has been taken over internet. It is also called e-learning or online learning. Students attend online lectures with the help of computer or a smartphone. Online education has become now popular nowadays. It has both advantages and disadvantages. I will talk here only for advantages of online teaching. So first advantages is flexibility. Students can study the online courses material during their own time. Second advantage is comfort. Students can attend online lectures from their comfort zone or from
Okay,
their home.
stop. Stop.
Okay, ma'am.
सावित्री किसकू? सावित्री किसकू? उमंग कुमार.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, Umang.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
Umang Kumar, I would like to say some points about advantage of online teaching. First, if you take classes online, attending is as simple as opening your computer or tablet. Online classes provide us easier access to teachers. Asking some question to teacher is easy via message or through email. It reduces the transportation cost and time between house and college or a school. It is easy to focus on topic in class on what are going there. It is easy to represent. It is easy to represent any topic, conclusion or overview point. We can put ourselves in the fresh environment for studying in our home. That's it, ma'am.
Okay. Bablu Kumar.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
Today I'm going to say something about advantage of online teaching. First of all, by the help of online teaching, there is no limit of location. Learning and teaching can take place in any location, just like home, office, and anywhere. And
Stop.
second one is time.
Stop. Sachin Yadav. Sachin Yadav. Nikita Kumari Rajak.
Yes, ma'am. Good
Yeah,
afternoon,
Nikita,
ma'am.
speak.
Today our topic is advantage of online teaching. So according to my point of view, education plays the most important role in the life of people. A big pieces of new and necessary information apart every minute. Nowadays, online study or learning turns out to be more
Stop.
and more practical.
Stop. Shashikant Mishra.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Ma'am,
speak.
today's topic is advantages of online teaching. A teacher can choose to teach at any time. There is no time wastage, unlike the offline classes. Also, the teacher can teach from anywhere, irrespective of the location of students. In online
Stop.
teaching, any study.
Ritu Kumari.
Yes, ma'am.
Speak.
Today our topic is advantage of online classes. Advantage of online teaching is efficiency. Online learning offers teacher an efficient way to deliver lesson to student. Online learning has number of tools such as video, PDF, broadcast, and teacher can be used all these tools as part of their lesson. Flexibility, times of place, network
Okay,
of
stop.
opportunity,
Mohammad
reduce
Mahfuz
cost.
Alam. Mohammad Mahfuz Alam. Mahfuz Alam, speak. You are present in the class.
Yes, ma'am. Good afternoon,
Speak.
ma'am. My topic is advantage of online teaching. And online learning has become a trend in the recent times. And online learning offers teachers an efficient way to deliver lesson to the students. And online teaching has a number of tools such as videos, PDF, and
Stop.
teachers.
Prashant Rao
And
Gaikwad. Prashant Rao Gaikwad. Speak. Sufyan Alam. Prabir Modi. Piyush Kumar Thakur. Piyush Kumar Thakur. Rohit Kumar. Deepak Orao. Deepak Vanwal is present. Deepak Orao. Nikhil Singh.
Yes, ma'am.
Speak.
Good afternoon, ma'am. Today's topic is advantages of online teaching. Hello.
Yeah, speak.
Yes, ma'am. Advantages of online teaching are we can self-record by ourselves the classes which have been taught and take screenshots for further reference.
Poonam Kumari. All of you mark your attendance fast. Ramchandra Tudu. Ramchandra Tudu. Raman Pradhan.
Yes, ma'am. Good
Speak.
afternoon, ma'am.
Yeah, speak.
Ma'am, today's topic is advantages of online teaching. There are so many advantages of online teaching. The first is reduces cost. The most obvious advantage.
Stop. Shushila Kumari. Shushila Kumari. Shushila Kumari.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, speak. Speak fast. Speak fast. We are coming in the waiting room and for marking your attendance. Shobha is present. Shaket Kumar Mishra.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Sudhanshu Ranjan. Sudhanshu is speak many a times. Shuman Kumar. Stop. Shuman Kumar. Shuman Kumar. Sushil Kumar Dubey. Sushil Kumar Dubey. Bhaskar Karmkar.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, Bhaskar, speak.
Good afternoon, ma'am. Today's
Good
topic
afternoon.
is advantages of teaching. The online method of study has several advantages. It has convenience as both for teachers and students. We can also ask questions and queries related the topic in the classrooms. There are many types of advantages like work from anywhere at any time, review lecture instant.
Stop.
Less time.
Stop. Run Vijay.
Yes, ma'am.
Speak.
Good evening, madam and everyone. Today I am going to speak about the advantages of online teaching. In an online education, it might give access to a specialized degree of courses that are not available in local institutions.
Okay, stop.
And
Sudarshan Kumar Chaurasia. Sudarshan Kumar Chaurasia. Sudarshan Kumar Chaurasia. He has told me to, madam, enroll me. I have enrolled him. Now he marked his attendance and he is not present in the class. Abhishek Karkatta.
Yes, ma'am.
Speak. That's why I'm showing you all
afternoon,
live the present condition. How students are not attending and marking their attendance. I will report these things to the HOD. Abhishek Kirkatta. Speak.
Yes, ma'am. Good afternoon, everyone. Today our topic is advantage of online teaching. Online teaching and learning means interacting by internet mode, and I am going to discuss about some benefits of online teaching and learning. It can be accessed at anywhere where the internet connection is available and is in conventional teaching
Okay,
method.
stop.
Teachers
Aman
and
Kumar
students have
Verma.
to.
Aman Kumar Verma.
Yes, ma'am. Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon. Speak.
Today's topic is Advantages of online teaching. Online teaching have many advantages. First one is efficiency. Online learning offers teachers an efficient way to deliver lesson to students. Online learning has a number of tools such as videos, PDF, and etc. Our college has LMS portal is a, and second one is a improve a student attendance.
Stop.
Since online.
Aniket Singh, speak. Right now you have joined. Speak, Aniket Singh. You have late joined. Speak now, Aniket Singh. Aniket Singh, speak.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon. Speak fast. Speak, Aniket Singh, right now, because you have lately joined. Class is about to finish and you have joined. Speak now, fast. Speak. Next, Ashish Soren.
Yes, ma'am. Good afternoon, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yeah. Today my topic is advantage of online teaching. Online learning can happen in any place as long as there is a device and connectivity. A physical class requires the student to come to school. In online teaching mode, the student can access lesson sitting anywhere in the world. The second is there is no need to travel. The beauty of this school is that student can study from their home. This can help to save time.
Stop. Aniket Singh, speak.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, speak. Speak fast. This is the condition when students are joining late in the class for their attendance. That's why I have not enabled this waiting room. Okay. Aman Kumar Verma.
Yes, ma'am. हो गया मेरा, ma'am.
हो गया ना? Okay, very good. Bablu Kumar.
Thank you.
हो गया मैम मेरा.
When?
You have told my name.
No, you just speak.
Okay, ma'am. Good afternoon,
Aman
ma'am.
Verma has also speak. Aman Verma will also speak again.
Good afternoon, ma'am. Today's topic is advantage of online teaching. By the help of online teaching, learning and teaching can take place in any location.
I don't want this
And,
sentence to be repeated again and again. I want some new sentences.
And that there is no limitation of time. Teachers can take the class at when she and he is free, and there are many online resources.
Whenever
to
you are
provide
saying teachers, na, there is no requirement to say he or she. Teachers is a common noun.
Okay, ma'am.
You don't mention any kind of gender in it. When you are saying a doctor, you say he doctor or she doctor. When you say lawyer, he lawyer, she lawyer.
No, ma'am.
Then next, Aman
And,
Kumar Verma.
Yes, ma'am.
Speak.
Today's topic is online teaching, and there are many advantages of online teaching. First one is efficiency. Online learning offers teachers an efficient way to deliver lesson to students. Online learning has a number of tools such as videos, PDF, and etc. and many more. Second one is improve a student attendance. Since online class can be taken from home.
Dhananjay Kumar.
Thank you.
Hello.
Dhananjay
Good afternoon,
Kumar.
ma'am.
Yeah. Wait. Krishna Mahali. Krishna Mahali from Mechanical.
Yes, ma'am. Good afternoon, ma'am.
Okay. Kumari Pushpa Singh from Mechanical. Kumari Pushpa
Good
Singh.
afternoon, ma'am.
Yeah, please speak.
Yes, today's topic is on advantage of online teaching. Ma'am, I would say that advantage of online teaching is that every student has a different learning journey and different learning styles. Some students are visual learners, while
I don't
some
want this
students
thing. I want the
prefer to learn.
advantages. I want advantages. I want to know about the advantages. I don't want to know all the philosophical, historical things.
Yes, ma'am, I'm speaking advantage only.
Points you just say. I want to know the points.
Ma'am, in online teaching, some students get distracted in large number of students studying in classroom.
Very bad. Very bad point. Very bad point you have told. Next point. Next, Kunal Verma. Kunal Verma from Mechanical.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, speak.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
Ma'am, the advantage of online learning. The online learning is a form of distance learning that takes place over the internet. It is also known as e-learning. By online learning, we learn many things. That is, we can participate in many quiz, certification training, and exam, and many more courses. Most important advantage of online learning is that it increase the concentration and listening skills of the student, and it also improve the knowledge of by virtual visualizations of thing and object. It reduce the cost and time of the student, that waste of time student use in proper
Okay, very good,
utilization.
Kunal. Very good. Very good, Kunal. Next, Nishant Kumar Chaudhary.
Yes, ma'am. Good
Yeah,
afternoon,
speak.
ma'am.
Yeah, please speak, Nishant.
Today's topic is online learning, advantages of online learning. Online learning is reduced financial cost. Online education far more affordable as compared to physical learning. This is because online learning eliminates the cost points of student transportation,
Very
student meals, and the most important.
Okay, stop. Rakesh Kumar Sen. Rakesh Kumar Sen.
Another advantage of online education
Stop.
that is
Om
allows
Prakash
student-
Mahato.
Yes,
Om
ma'am.
Prakash Mahato.
Yes, ma'am.
Please speak.
Good morning, ma'am. Today's my topic is advantage of online teaching. First advantage, accessibility of time and place. Means there is no restriction of boundaries. Online teaching allows the student to attend class from any location of their choice. And other
Okay, stop.
advantage,
Om Prakash Mahato.
yes, ma'am.
You have completed na?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Praveen Soren.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon. Speak.
Today's topic is advantages of online learning. According to me, online teaching enables both teacher as well as the students to set their own learning pace. It also provides a better work study balance. It also provides a wide range of courses, a comfortable learning environment.
Stop.
It provides.
Pooja Chaudhary. Pooja Chaudhary from Mechanical. Rahul Kumar Gorai from Mechanical.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, speak.
Good afternoon, ma'am. Today my topic is advantages of online teaching. It also provides a peaceful environment as only the lecturer speaks and the others can be listening, and not much disturbance as in offline learning. Online teaching provides the teacher
Okay,
to a
stop.
number of tools.
Rishabh Kumar from Mechanical.
Good afternoon. ma'am.
Good
Today's
afternoon.
topic is advantages of online teaching. Online classes are more flexible as there are some options when it comes to the world of online learning, including the typing, timing, location of classes that students can take. And some students are afraid of
Okay,
asking
stop.
questions from teachers physically. So
Stop.
through online classes,
Shivam Shaumya.
Yes, ma'am. Good afternoon, ma'am.
Yeah.
My today's topic is advantages of online learning. Online education is allow student to attend classes from any location of their choice. It also allows schools to reach out to a more
Stop.
extensive.
Sachin Shao. Sachin Shao.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Good afternoon, ma'am. This is Sachin Sao. Today's topic is advantage of online learning.
So, ma'am, the advantage of online learning are the freedom to learn whatever you want at a particular
Stop.
time. And
Saurav Kumar Yadav.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Yeah, please tell the points.
Ma'am, there are many advantages of online teachings. First, active listening. First, the main important things are active listening. Second is accessibility of time and places. Third is affordability, means
Very
reduce
good.
the financial cost.
Very good, Saurabh.
Thank you.
Very good. Saurabh Manna.
Ma'am,
Yeah, please tell the points.
from online teaching, it allows us for easier communication between teachers and students. During our class, we can record a live session so that if any doubt persists, we can watch the session
Stop.
repeatedly.
Saurabh Kumar Yadav, you have told very nicely the point and you have defined all these points. Very nice. Suraj Mardi.
Yes, ma'am. Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, Suraj. Please speak.
Ma'am, advantage of online teaching, there are less chance of student missing out the lesson because we can take
Stop.
class from anywhere.
Vinay
any
Mahato.
location.
Vinay
Yes, ma'am.
Mahato.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, first
Speak.
of all, good afternoon to all.
I want
Ma'am,
to know the
today's
points.
topic,
Please tell the points.
ma'am, first one is students from remote areas can also be able to achieve high quality knowledge
No.
without paying very.
Student from the remote areas definitely faces network issues.
Ma'am, not very remote areas, ma'am.
Remote
they
areas
get
means
internet
what?
access.
What do you understand by remote areas? Please see in the Google dictionary and then speak those words. Next, Sitara Munda. Sitara Munda. Shivam Soumya.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I have already told.
Okay, right now someone has joined. Okay. That is. Hey, right now who have joined? Muhammad Mahfouz. Muhammad Sufyan Alam, speak. For attendance not, I will make you enter in the class. Okay, speak, Sufyan.
Yes, ma'am.
Speak fast. For attendance marking, I have not allowed you to enter in the class in the last 5 minutes. Speak. Speak fast, otherwise get out of the class. Shobha.
Yes, ma'am. Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon. Speak.
Some of the advantages of online teaching are participation of students increases. As in a traditional teaching process, students were not well participate in class because of their hesitation. But through online teaching, they participate in class. And next point is easier access and sharing information. Through this online teaching process, all the teachers get easily access their information to the student, and students are able to get the notes or information through this online teaching. And ma'am, it gives more teaching opportunity to the teachers as well as the student who wants to make their career in this teaching process. And there is the better organization, means there is no issue of any management system, there is no any issue of transportation, and there is no any issue of misunderstanding. And through online teaching, time and location flexibility, means less time consumption from going here to there. Teachers can start their class at a time from their home, and student also, and there is no any issue of location. Teachers as well as the student from anywhere get the class through online teaching, and this is the one step ahead to the digitalization.
Very
Means
good.
through
This is the one step ahead